Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 9th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be starting off with Invest 97L, which is located right here off the African coast. You can see here is the west coast of Africa, right here. I think the Cabo Verde Islands, or I think there they are right here, but it's pretty well west of those islands. You can see it pretty well getting its act together slowly, but probably take a few more days and should become our tropical depression and should become tropical storm Erin. The other wave only has a 20% chance of development. I'm not expecting that to develop into anything, but this one here should become Erin. Should be in the next couple of days. So alrighty, so let's take a look at the forecast spaghetti-o models here. Alrighty, see if we can get to it. Should be coming up. Here we go, right here. Well, they only got two of those models. Let's take a look at the GFS model, since there's only two of the hurricane models in. Soon we get more information from the Hurricane Center, they should put more model runs in it. Alright, here's the center of the storm. Takes it pretty much across the central tropical Atlantic. Most of these models here wants to turn it and make a northward jog, maybe up towards Nova Scotia. Most of the time, if a storm gets really strong, most of the time they will curve to the north before they make landfall on the eastern coast, but we'll continue to monitor that. But right now, this is what the GEF forecasts ensembles look like right now. Let's take a look. That's the GFS ensemble. Let's see. Let's take a look at the intensity guidance of this system. See if we can get to it. Having a little computer problems here, so bear with me. Alrighty, let's see if we can get to the intensity guidance of this system. Alright, here it is. We've got 25 knot winds. They go at 30 miles an hour. Some of the models takes into a tropical storm. That's why we expect it to become tropical storm Erin, and then it may continue on into a Cat 1 and then maybe a Cat 2 as it continues to track across the Atlantic. We'll continue to monitor that and see what happens. Alright, let's go forward now. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, here's a look at the local forecast. This is for you Sunday. We got some flash flooding and heavy rain. Southeast Georgia, portions of southeast South Carolina, southeastern North Carolina. More heavy rain, flash flooding over here in Port of Colorado, from Kansas all the way toward Wisconsin. Here's Tropical Storm Ivo. Will continue to pull away from the Baja region of California, with thunderstorms and showers from Arizona to New Mexico to Wisconsin, up here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, to Michigan, to Illinois, Tennessee, to Texas, to Louisiana, Florida Key, Atlantic coastal waters, and also the Carolinas, and also over toward Kentucky and Tennessee regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, here's your Monday outlook. Got some heavy rain, flash flooding along the Grand Strand region and southeastern North Carolina region. Also from Kansas up to Wisconsin, and thunderstorms and showers up here around Minnesota, South Canada. Also up around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, to Michigan, to Colorado, and Kansas, Missouri, to Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona regions. And also we're expecting it to move. Excuse me, I had to scratch my eyeball, but we good. Then we got some thunderstorm shower from Arkansas, Louisiana to the Florida Key, Atlantic coastal waters, all up in North Carolina, Tennessee, portion of southern Kentucky, also southern Virginia regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. and it's going to look something like this here. Alright, we still got air quality alerts across Minnesota, special weather statements up here across northern Michigan. Got some severe thunderstorm warnings there as well. Flood watches from Wisconsin to Iowa, northwest Illinois to northern Missouri, portion of Kansas and Oklahoma. Then we got heat advisories from Missouri to Kansas to Oklahoma, all the way down into portions of Arkansas and North Texas. A few counties here in areas of New Mexico, also central and southern California, northern California, Oregon, and Washington State. Says of heat warnings there as well, also across southern California and also a portion of Arizona. Red flag warnings over here in Utah, also in the areas of Colorado and also portions of Wyoming. Got severe thunderstorm watches, tornado warnings, and severe thunderstorm warning for Colorado, stretching into portions of Nebraska. Alright, we've got coastal flood advisory along the South Carolina coast. Small craft advisory gale warning from northern California up to Washington State. Also around the Hawaii and chain island, got coastal flood advisory, high surf warnings there as well. A little bit around the southwestern areas of Alaska and western areas also. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We only got one day of severe weather to talk about, and this is only a marginal risk from Denver all the way to Hannibal and west of Springfield, Wichita and Woodward area. General thunderstorm from Texas to the Carolinas, Florida, northern Maine, then from New Mexico, Arizona, Texas up to Michigan regions as well. Tornado probability looks like this: 2% over portion of New Mexico, Colorado. Damaging winds 5% from Colorado to portion of Illinois. Damaging winds pretty much just New Mexico and Colorado. Alright, we'll take a look at day number 3 as well, but pretty much just general thunderstorms across the board. Alright, we're going to take a look at this real quick. There it is, pretty much from Arizona to Texas to Michigan to northern Minnesota, Wisconsin, also North Dakota to the Carolina, Florida, back to East Texas. Just general thunderstorms expected. Alright, let's move on to the tropics. We're going to take a look at this system here. Alright, there's that 20% chance of development in the next 7 days. Should be right in here. Not really concerned about that one. This is the one I'm concerned about here, which is moved off the African coast, which is a 10% over the next 2 days, 60% over the next 7 days, which is a medium chance at this time. So alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.